division of surd with monomial surd at denominator. Examples. Simplify. Six divided by root 2. Now, looking at this question, we can see that we only have one term at the denominator. Hence, root 2 is a monomial surd. A monomial surd is a surd with one term. And this root 2 is an example. We just have one term here. Solution. Now we have 6 root 2. Now we can simplify this using the process we call rationalization. How do we rationalize? Because the denominator we are having here, we have root 2 here, and this root 2 is an irrational number. So our aim for rationalizing is to ensure that the denominator become a rational number, because this is irrational. And how do we make it rational? We multiply the numerator and denominator using the denominator. So in this case, this is what we are going to do. We are going to have 6 times root 2 divided by what? Root 2 times root 2. So what do we have? This is 6 root 2 at the numerator divided by what? What do we call it? So this is root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2, same number. Recall that root A times root A. What is root A times root A? That's A. So in this case, root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. So from here, 2 here, 1, and 2 in 6, we have 3. So the answer is 3 root 2. And let me remind you, do not forget the principle we use here is what we call rationalization. Rationalization. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.